Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Huawei Band 8. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials are made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect these with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Band 8 uses the same 1.47-inch AMOLED screen. The display remains impeccable for the category and size of the display, offering contrast, sharpness and brightness worthy of OLED technology. The bracelet does not have internal storage available to the user, that is, it is not possible to install applications or tools, such as a reminder to drink water, nor download music directly to the device for offline listening. The only thing you can add is new dials. Huawei does not specify how much battery the Band 8 has, but the promise of up to 14 days of use remains a highlight. Of course, this estimate depends on factors such as training frequency, monitoring, brightness level and screen duration. In the box like usual we will find the band itself, user manual and a small charger. These are typical things to find on a smart band package. Press and hold the side button to turn on the band. We will see the Huawei logo and we have to choose a language where it will show as a QR code to be able to connect the band. We will see how to connect it with Android and iOS in the next video. This is how it will look when you have connected the band. We can see a very colorful display where if you press and hold it will show you the options to change the face of the band. We have a few here that are free and already download to choose. At the top we will find the taskbar with some options like settings, torch, vibration, brightness, do not disturb, sleep, and we have a percentage of battery with time and date near it. On the right side we have some shortcuts like heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep and daily activities, and last we have notification down here. If you press the button we enter the menu where we can see all the options starting with workout where we will find more than 100 sports starting with more basic ones like outdoor and indoor running, outdoor and indoor walking, outdoor and indoor cycling, swim, jump rope, elliptical, rower and other where we will find more options to sports and more specific ones. Back at the menu we will see workout records, workout status, heart rate, blood oxygen, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing method, music, remote shutter, notification, weather, Alipay, Weixin Pay, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone, and last we have settings. In settings we will find watch face where we can change like we changed in the beginning, custom cards to add cards, display and brightness where we can change brightness, tap to wake, screen on, and some other things that you can customize for your own preferences. Next on settings we will have vibration, do not disturb, pin, notification, workout settings, heart rate settings, system and updates, and about the device. So these are all the options that we can find on the Huawei Band 8, and we didn't see anything new, but these are not bad at all. Now it's time to test some of the options. Mainly we focus on health options to see if they work how they should. Starting with a workout, we will choose an outdoor run to test. Press go, it will start immediately where we can see at the top heart rate with heart rate zone, distance right underneath it, and duration. On the second page we have pace, cadence, calories. The third page is for training stress, and these are all the options while working out. Heart rate is next where we can see some results already showing because we turned on heart rate to measure all day. We have the highest and lowest down below and the chart in the middle. Meanwhile at the top we will see real-time heart rate. Next we have to test blood oxygen. Press start, we will see a 3 seconds countdown and the measuring will begin. Here we have to be more careful to keep our hand facing up and still as possible to get a more accurate result. After a minute or so we have the result here again with some chart information. In general the Huawei Band 8 is working and performing really well. I didn't notice any new option to mention, but we have a few things upgraded from the Band 7 like display and battery. Other than that, this band is similar with previous versions, but again it's a well-built band and personally I think it's worth buying. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.